What can you possibly do when your only option is to either order in or go out to eat? I'm excited to announce the LinkedIn program. The premise of this program is to help you focus on losing that first 10 pounds and actually start seeing major improvements in your health markers like blood pressure, sleep, joint health, etc. What makes this program particularly unique is the set of options that we have within the program. We have option for different pieces of weight loss, which is huge. We have option for people who do not have time to prep. I know that a lot of people watching this video probably fall into that category. So what can you possibly do when your only option is to either order in or go out to eat? What do those options look like, and how can you take advantage of those meals to start building better, healthier plate? If your goal is to start with the bite-sized piece of that first 10 pounds to start improving your health, you definitely want to join this program. We have 3 options for start dates starting in February, and we also have a significantly discounted option for you to join all 3 programs, which means that you are going to be able to join in February, March, and April and continue to get that admin support. If you have any questions, as always, you know where to reach me. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the challenge.